Hello, and welcome to our story map of HealthyJoCo's collection of issue profiles. We appreciate your curiosity and input. We created this video to explain the purpose of the issue profiles and to provide technical guidance on how to use the website. If you experience any issues or you'd like to share recommendations on how to make this process more accessible, please email us at healthyjoco@johnsoncountyiowa.gov. Our email is available on our website, and if you don't know how to get there, let me show you. In your search bar, you can simply type HealthyJoCo.com, and our website will be the first available link to click. All of our contact information can be found here. The purpose of the issue profiles and the community survey is to share the information collected from the community surveys that we've conducted over the last year and a half. Additionally, we hope to gain input from the community about which issues Johnson County Public Health should prioritize in the coming years. These 11 profiles are a summary of the 3 assessments that we conducted, and they're grouped according to themes. These issue statements have been written after analysis, discussion, and consideration by our team from our community assessments, community stakeholders, as well as secondary data. We need your help to determine what JCPH's top 4 health priorities will be for the coming years. Your suggestions should be based on your own lived experience, as well as what you've learned from the issue profiles. And now to run through how to navigate our story map collection and how to look through each issue profile. We'll start with community health resources, health education, and literacy. You can navigate to different portions of the profile using the banner located below the title of the profile. Each profile's tabs are a little bit different from one another, but they will each have a banner and similar tabs, like potential objectives, definitions and summaries, issue statements, prevalence, potential solutions, and sources. Certain profiles might have more tabs to give more information, like the healthcare asset map on this profile. You can explore this further by zooming in, zooming out, allowing it to take up the entire issue profile page, and then resuming it to its original size. You can navigate to another profile by using the banner at the top of the page. And again, can look through the content in the profile. Or if you'd like to go back to the page where all the profiles are on display, click the 4 squares on the top of the left-hand side. Let's look at another profile. If you see a prompt like this, you can click it and find more information that connects the 2 profiles together. Please note that this will bring you into a different tab. So to get back to the story map, just click the old tab. Please also note that our reproductive health and trauma-informed care profile contains information and quotes that might be triggering due to the sensitivity of the topic. There's a trigger warning at the start of the profile, as well as resources for support and more information surrounding sexual and medical violence. Please read with care. Johnson County Public Health thanks you for your time and attention. We're looking forward to hearing from you, and if you have any questions on how to take the survey or its location, please visit the HealthyJoCo website. Thank you.